श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव, पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा. Janmashtami reminds us of Lord Krishna's birth, the triumph of good over evil, and the joy of devotion. Lord Krishna's teaching in Bhagavad Gita guide us to live with courage, wisdom, and faith amidst all challenges of life. Today I am preparing Besan Barfi as prasad for Sri Krishna. So before we begin this recipe, let us first remember Lord Krishna with devotion. Please repeat this prayer after me with your heart and devotion. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hariye Paramatmane Pranata Kaleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namah. Wishing everyone a very happy Janmashtami.